Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover SE featuring the very stylish Charente Grey. It's a 3-litre diesel and it's sitting on those stunning 23-inch gloss black alloys, working well with the exterior styling and the rear privacy glass. Huge amount of boot space, very practical this vehicle, no trouble fitting luggage, chopping or prams in. Moving to the interior, you have got that Perlino Leather finish, very comfortable to be in, certainly does look the part as well. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you've got the Meridian sound system as well as electric memory front seats. Very well presented dashboard there as well. And it does come equipped with the sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Taking the seat inside, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera working in hand with your parking aid, ensuring full confidence. We've also got ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your deployable side steps, as well as your heated front and rear seats, perfect for use all year round, really enhancing the luxury within. You've also got ease of access to the park assist and your cabin lighting on there as well, really adding a personal touch to the interior. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.